Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to make an easy slouchy hat using Tunisian crochet. To do this, you'll need a size H Tunisian crochet hook and about 175 yards of worsted weight yarn. I'll show the women's size in this video, and other sizes are on my website. We'll make this hat in rows, with the brim part on one side of the row and the crown part on the other side of the row. Start with the chain 48. For row 1, the first half is called the forward pass. All we're going to do is draw up a loop in each chain across. At the end, you'll have 48 loops on your hook. For row 1's return pass, we start with the chain 1. Then we make a yarn over and take off loops in groups of 2. This is known as the Tunisian simple stitch. And for what it's worth, it's a really vintage stitch dating back to at least the mid-1800s. We'll continue this process for the remaining loops. You can see what it looks like. Now we'll begin the forward pass of row 2. If you notice, each simple stitch has a front loop and a back loop. We're going to work in the back loop for several stitches. Now we already have one loop on our hook. Turn to the back, go under that back loop, yarn over, and draw up a loop. Go into the next one. Yarn over and draw up a loop. And the next one. By the way, this is called the Tunisian reverse stitch. We're going to do this for the first 9 stitches. And technically, we'll have 10 loops on our hook. Mark that 10th loop with a paper clip so you always know where the brim ends. And for the remaining stitches, draw up loops. Here's where you place the last stitch. You'll have 48 total loops on your hook. For row 2's return pass, chain 1 and then take off loops in groups of 2. Now we'll move to row 3's forward pass. We have the one loop on our hook, so we draw up 9 more loops using the Tunisian reverse stitch. For a total of 10 loops on our hook. Check that paper clip to ensure your stitches are lining up for the brim. Now we draw up 38 loops of Tunisian simple stitch. Ensure you have 48 loops. And for the return pass of row 3, it's just like our other return passes. To continue on, just repeat row 3, ensuring your stitches line up correctly, and you have 48 loops on your crochet hook. Before you get too far along, measure your work to ensure you have 12 inches. If it's shorter than that, try using a larger hook. After 63 rows, your work will be 21 inches. If not, just add some more rows. Fasten off your work, Cut a long tail end and use it to seam up the sides. Once completed, we're going to figure out where the brim section is, and we're going to cinch closed the top section. You can use 2 strands of yarn, or a separate strand, or just use the same strand as the seam, and go in and out of the edge stitches to close it up. Fasten off and secure your ends. You can add a pom-pom or tag or button as optional accessories. And that's how I make a simple slouchy hat.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.